Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We're really getting into the nitty-gritty now of how DSS Consulting has helped companies solve some major data headaches.
Yeah, it's fascinating stuff.
I'm excited to hear about these real-world examples.
Yeah, let's start with one case where they worked with several international insurance companies.
Okay.
DSS was brought in to do a full data quality assessment.
So it was like a data checkup for these companies, making sure their data was in tip-top shape.
Yeah, exactly. And they were really focused on customer data stored in those core systems, looking for any issues that could cause problems with, legal obligations or even the company's own internal standards.
I see what you mean. It's about laying a solid foundation.
Exactly.
So what did they find?
Well, the assessment allowed DSS to recommend specific steps for cleaning up the data and even how to allocate resources effectively.
I like that proactive approach. It's not just about fixing the mess, it's about preventing future messes too.
Absolutely. Now, let's jump to a completely different industry.
Okay.
DSS Consulting worked with some leading commercial banks on a massive data quality assurance project.
Okay, this sounds intriguing.
Yeah.
What did that involve?
Well, this went way beyond just assessment. They implemented data cleansing deduplication and even set up that real-time data validation we talked about earlier.
So they really pulled out all the stops, tackling the whole data quality spectrum.
They did, and the results were pretty impressive.
Oh, yeah.
The banks saw huge improvements in their data accuracy and consistency,
Okay.
which led to better decisions and even reduced their operational costs.
Okay, now that's what I'm talking about. That's a real win-win.
Yeah.
It shows the tangible benefits of investing in data quality.
Absolutely.
What other success stories do you have?
Well, let's move into the publishing world.
Okay.
DSS Consulting partnered with a major publishing house on a complex data migration project.
Ooh, data migration. That could be a real nightmare.
Oh, it can do.
What were the challenges there?
The biggest hurdle was ensuring that data quality issues from those old legacy systems didn't sneak into the new system. It's like moving to a new house.
Yeah.
But making sure you don't bring along any of that clutter you've been meaning to get rid of.
That's the perfect analogy.
Right.
So how did they keep things clean during the move?
Well, they used their secret weapon, the DSS Quality Monitor software. They gave the data a deep clean.
Okay.
And validated everything before it was migrated to the new system. Any errors or inconsistencies were caught and corrected.
Wow.
Making for a super smooth transition.
So their software really proved its worth in that situation. It sounds like a game changer for these complex data projects.
It really is. And it's not just giant companies that benefit from their expertise.
Sure.
They've helped telecommunication companies, utility companies, and even a leading retail bank with various data cleansing projects.
So their reach extends across all sorts of industries.
Exactly. They've tackled data challenges in a whole range of sectors.
Right.
Which gives them a really deep understanding of what different businesses need.
That makes sense.
Now, let's talk a bit more about the software solutions themselves. We've touched on them.
Yeah.
But I think our listeners would love to know what makes them tick.
I agree. Let's start with DSS Quality Monitor. Now, what are some of its key features?
Well, it allows for data profiling, which is like creating a detailed map of your data landscape. It helps you understand the structure and content of your data.
Okay.
Then it's got powerful data cleansing capabilities, which allow you to correct those errors, standardize formats, and of course, remove those duplicate entries.
It sounds like a Swiss Army knife for data cleaning and preparation.
That's a great way to put it. And the best part is that it's incredibly customizable.
Okay.
So you can tailor it to fit your specific needs.
That's key because every business has its own unique data quirks, right?
Absolutely. Now let's move on to DSS iQualidator.
Okay.
This is the one that provides that real-time data validation we were talking about earlier. It integrates seamlessly into existing systems and acts like a vigilant gatekeeper, ensuring that bad data never even gets a chance to slip through.
You talked about it being like a bouncer at a club, only letting in the good data.
Uh-huh.
Can you give us some specific examples of the types of data it can validate?
Sure, it can validate a wide range of data, including names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, tax IDs, company, registration numbers, you name it. It's pretty comprehensive.
They've really thought of everything, and that
Yeah.
real-time validation is a game changer. It stops errors from spreading through the system, which saves everyone a lot of hassle down the road.
Exactly. It's this proactive approach that really sets DSS Consulting apart. They're not just cleaning up the mess after it happens, they're preventing the mess from happening in the first place.
So they're like data guardians, protecting the integrity of the data.
Precisely. And they achieve this through a combination of cutting-edge technology, their deep expertise, and a commitment to continuous improvement.
It's inspiring to see a company so dedicated to helping businesses unlock the true potential of their data by making sure it's high quality and reliable. This has been incredibly enlightening. We've learned about the hidden costs of bad data, the importance of a comprehensive approach to data quality, and the incredible solutions that DSS Consulting offers.
We've also seen how those solutions have played out in the real world, helping their clients achieve remarkable results.
It's clear that DSS Consulting is not just cleaning up data. They're empowering businesses to become truly data-driven.
Absolutely.
Now it's time to step back and look at the bigger picture.
Yeah, data quality is no longer just a tech issue.
Right.
It's really a core element of business strategy in our data-driven world.
Totally. It impacts everything: how well we understand our customers, how effectively we market our products,
Absolutely.
how efficiently we run our operations, and how we manage risk.
If data is the new oil, then data quality is the refinery that transforms this raw material into something truly valuable.
That analogy really hits home,
Mm-hmm.
and it emphasizes why we need to treat data quality as a constant process, not just a one-time cleanup.
Yeah, companies need to weave data quality into their very fabric, make it part of their culture and daily routines.
So what are some key takeaways for our listeners?
Okay.
What practical steps can they take to boost their own data quality game?
Well, the first step is to take stock of where you stand, conduct a data quality assessment
Okay.
to identify your strengths and weaknesses.
So it's like taking inventory, making sure you know what you have and what needs attention.
Exactly. Next, you need to set clear data quality standards, define those rules and guidelines
Okay.
for how data is entered, validated, and maintained.
This makes sure everyone in the organization is on the same page, speaking the same data language.
Exactly. Then you need to implement a mix of automated and manual data cleaning processes.
Okay.
Use the right tools and technologies, but don't underestimate the power of human expertise.
It's about finding the right balance between technology and human oversight.
Absolutely. And finally, embrace the power of real-time data validation.
Okay.
Stop bad data at the door by setting up validation rules at every entry point. It's like having a security system for your data.
This proactive approach can save so much time, money, and frustration in the long run.
Absolutely. Remember, data quality is a journey, not a destination.
Right.
It requires constant attention, continuous improvement, and a commitment from every member of the team.
If data is the lifeblood of a business, then data quality is its heartbeat.
I like that.
And just like we need a healthy heart to thrive, businesses need clean, reliable data to succeed.
Yeah, this raises an important question for our listeners.
Okay.
If you work in e-commerce, how are you ensuring the accuracy of your customer data to personalize recommendations and avoid shipping nightmares?
Whoa.
Think about that.
That's a question worth pondering, and for those eager to dive deeper into improving their data quality practices,
Yeah.
I highly recommend exploring DSS Consulting's website. They've got a treasure trove of resources and information to help you on your journey.
They're true pioneers in the field,
Yeah.
with decades of experience guiding businesses toward data quality excellence.
And with that, we've reached the end of our deep dive into data quality assurance. With DSS Consulting, we covered a lot of ground, from the hidden costs of bad data
We did.
to the innovative solutions that can transform your approach. But the conversation doesn't end here.
No, it doesn't.
We encourage you to continue exploring this vital topic
Yeah.
and make data quality a top priority within your own organization. So until next time, stay curious and keep those data clean.